Hello, hope you guys are doing well. So today let's get started with the LeetCode problem of the day, and it's an easy problem. Its number is 2574. Left and right sum differences. You are given a zero indexed integer array nums of size n. Like this is my array that will be given to me. Define two arrays leftSum and rightSum, where leftSum I is the sum of elements to the left of the index I. Like what is the, like if it is I, leftSum I is the sum of elements to the left of the index I. What are the elements to the left of the index I? Like I don't have any index, so the sum to the left of 10 will be 0. Now if there is no such element, leftSum I equal to 0. What is the sum of my elements that are left to the index 1? That are left to, so 10, that's 10. What about 8? 14. What about 3? 14 plus 8 is what? 22. And what about 3? 3 will be 22, and that's it. Similarly, right sum I is the sum of elements to the right of index I in the array nums. If there is no such element, right sum I equal to 0. What is the right sum of this index? Right sum of index 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 will be 0. What are the elements to the right of it? 3. What are the elements to the right of this? 8 plus 3. So sum of all the elements that are right to right that are right to the index 1. So it will be 8 plus 3, 11. What about this index? 11 plus 4, it will be 15. So let's take and then return an integer array or answer of size n, where answer I equal to leftSum I minus rightSum I. Let's take this. First, let's calculate leftSum I. This is my ARR. LeftSum will be, what are the elements to the left of 10? 0. 4, 10. 8, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. What about rightSum? Rightsum will be equal to 0, 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. So now my answer will be 0 minus 15, absolute of that will be 15. 1. Difference between these, how much? 11, 22. So 15, 1, 11, 22. 15, 1, 11, 22. Similarly for this it will be 0. So now let's see, see how we are going to do. So initially I'll create an answer array where I am going to store my answer. New int n is the size of my array. Now first I am going to calculate leftSum. Put leftSum in my array. Answer for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Now the thing is, what I am going to do, answer of I, put what? Take a variable int sum equal to 0. Or there are many other strategies, like you can, without creating the variable sum also you can do this, but for simplicity let's take sum. So put sum in my answer I, and then add what? Sum plus or equal to nums I. So this is shorthand operator. It is equal to sum plus nums I. Once it is done, now my array is filled with what? Right, leftSum. Now I am supposed to fill it with answer. On the go, on the fly, I'll calculate my rightSum. So for now I iterate from this direction. For int I equal to nums dot length minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Is that clear? Now now what I'll do, take sum equal to 0. Now now my answer I will be equal to what? Math dot absolute. This is a function to calculate the absolute value. Now one left I is what? Answer I. Now I have to subtract what? Sum from this. And once it is done, I'll update my sum. Sum will be what now? Sum plus or equal to ARR of I, or nums of I, whatever your array name is, nums of I. And once this is done, I'll return my answer. So this is my code. So let's take this example 0, 10, 14, 11. So I created an answer that is of array length 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once it is created, my sum will be equal to what? 0. Now I'll iterate. I'll come on this index 10. Now answer I equal to what? 0. So I'll do 0. Now sum will become what? Num size. Sum will become my 10. Now again I'll move to 1. Now my answer 1 will be what? 10. My sum will become what? 10 plus 4, 14. So again I'll put 14 here. My sum will become what? 22. I'll put 22. Now I'll iterate from this direction. I have initialized sum again with 0, right? Now iterate it in reverse direction. Now 22 minus sum will become what? 0. 22 minus 0 will become what? Absolute 22 itself. Now sum will become what? 3. Now 14 minus 3 will become what? 14 minus 3 will become what? 11. Now my sum will get updated to what? 8 plus 3, 11, right? 11. Now 11 minus 10 will become what? 11 minus 10 will become 1, because we are finding absolute. 11 plus 4 will be what? 15. Now 0 minus 15 will be what? 15. So this is my answer. This is how it will calculate it. Let's write the code for this. Now int answer equal to new int. This will be my length of my array equal to nums dot length. Now I'll create an answer that will be of length len. Now I treat it in from left to right. Int I equal to 0, I less than what? I less than len I plus plus. Initially I'll create a variable int sum equal to 0, int sum equal to 0. Now sum will be what? First fill your answer I equal to the, till now my left sum is what? Sum. Now sum will be updating to sum plus or equal to nums of I. Once it is done, create your sum equal to 0. Now iterate it in the reverse direction. For int I equal to len minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Now the thing is, update your answer with what? Math dot apps answer of I minus what? Answer of I minus what? Sum. And update your sum to what? Sum plus or equal to nums of I. Once it is done, you'll do what? Return your answer. Let's try to submit this. What is the time complexity? 1 for loop, 1 for loop. So it's big of n. Time complexity will be what? Big of n. Space complexity will also be what? Big of n, because we have allocated an extra array. So once it is done, I'll do what? Let's submit this. So I think, yeah, it got submitted now. Thank you very much. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask, comment. I'll try to help you out. Whatever your problem is, just let me know. Thank you guys. Bye bye.